What's going on, everyone? It's Matthew here at Barn Fresh Classics in Biddeford, Maine. You can check us out online at barnfreshclassics.com, see all the inventory we have to offer. You can also check us out on Facebook at Barn Fresh Classics. That is the easiest way to see our updated rolling inventories. We do list there first. So today I have a beautiful 55 Chevy Bel Air. It is a true factory Bel Air hardtop. And it's a semi-resto mod. It does have some extra goodies that make it very drivable, very fun. It's got disc brakes, tubular control arms. It's got a Muncie 4-speed in it. So it's a cool little car. It's got a dual quad 350. Sounds good, looks good, runs good. Definitely a mean car. All the chrome and the stainless on it is in excellent shape. Paint and body, again, excellent shape. There is a couple stone chips here and there are a couple cracks in the paint where I will show you those. First crack is down there on the door. You can see right there. And then the other cracks are right there in the back. I don't know if you can kind of make them out right there. So, and then, you know, it's got a couple stone chips here and there, but still an absolutely gorgeous car. Underneath is rock solid, excellent shape. Interior is beautiful. The two-tone aqua color just sets it off. Definitely has the right stance, right wheels. Definitely a sharp car. Runs and drives excellent. Goes down the road real smooth, no issues there. And it's fun to drive, I'll tell you that much. It is fun to drive. Body is laser straight. Paint is really nice. Got a deep shine to it, no orange peel. You know, a couple little blemishes, like I said, here and there, but other than that, she is a beautiful car. Engine bay is super clean, detailed. Underneath is clean, trunk is clean. The door panels are in excellent shape. Interior is very clean. But she's a beautiful car, guys. She's a beautiful car. And it's a 4-speed to boot. Carpet's nice, kick panel's nice. It's a nice car. Sounds real mean. Again, it's got a dual quad Edelbrox on it, 350. It's punched out, I believe. 355. Video's not going to do it justice, but it sounds excellent. We do love our 55s. Well, we love our tri-5s here. And this one is a very clean, and it's affordable. $39,995. You're not going to be able to beat that on a true Bel Air hardtop. Now, if you got any questions, you want more pictures, some more video, give me a call, 207-400-5326. My name is Matthew. I'll pick up and I'll take your hand and walk you through the process. And we're not a consignment dealership here, so everything you see here we do own with our own money. This Bel Air has been gone through front to back, and it's ready to be delivered to your door, turnkey, and enjoy. Again, true factory Bel Air 55, hardtop, dual quad 350, disc brakes, disc power brakes, power steering, tubular control arms, upper and lower, excellent stance, just a clean car all the way around, guys. Really a clean car. At this price, you don't want to miss out on it. It will not last. I mean, it's springtime now, and people looking to cruise, and this is a cruiser for sure. Again, if you've got any questions, you need any more pictures, any more video, give me a call. 207-400-5326. I always pick up. If you want some more videos, you want specific pictures, just give me a call. Again, 55 Bel Air. Don't miss out on this one, guys. Take care.